Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PHAS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. And a very shaky chart. I'm not going to call the chart destroyed or ruined because that's just not quite true. Assuming, of course, you care about the big picture. And I say that because I realize there's a lot of perspectives that could be watching this video. Meaning if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks absolutely terrible. But from the bigger picture, like I said, you can't quite call things totally ruined. Now, things like I said are definitely looking very shaky, but not ruined. And the reason I wouldn't call them quite ruined is everything to do with this level down here at $5.90, or you can call it $6, whatever you feel comfortable with. But the overall premise or the overall idea, and I'm not saying this will occur, but just to explain why this level is so important, is if the price were to come down to $5.90 and then just continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. And in this situation, would basically be putting it at almost a pump and dump status, right? I mean, the price made a great move up, and then all of a sudden it goes right back down. Once again, not saying that'll happen, because this is also why the reason, to be fair, you can't say the chart's ruined, because the price could come down here, behave like that again, and start to work its way back upwards. And then if you look at things from the bigger picture point of view, well, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, there you go. You still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So there is still an opportunity for the big picture chart to build that higher base. But that is why that $5.96 mark, very, very important going into next week, because you definitely don't want to see the price going right back to where it was after such a big movement today. So we'll see what next week brings. But yeah, a whole lot of eyeballs going to be on it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.